Let us understand the step-by-step process of performing client billing in Strategic ERP. There are two methods to perform client billing in Strategic ERP. One is through Client JMR and the other is through Client Billing. In case of Client JMR, the first step is to complete the daily progress report. In Client JMR, under Client Management module, enter the JMR date, start date and end date of the project. Select the project name and sub-project name. All DPR activities linked to the selected sub-project will auto-fetch under the Work Done status. You can view details such as quantities, units and DPR quantities. Enter the current quantity based on your total DPR quantity. You can also enter the activity billing rate for the current quantity. The total work done amount will auto-populate based on the activity billing rate. Once Client JMR is approved, you can proceed to Client Billing form. In the Client Running Bill, select the voucher date, start date and end date of the bill entry. Select the project name and sub-project name. Enter the client billing number if required. Select the client supplier name and specify the number of days required for the supplier to pay the bill. You can also enter details such as work order number, name of the person receiving the shipment, and e-way bill number if applicable. Enter acknowledge number and acknowledge date if any. You can view the JMR details under the Work Details tab. Based on the JMR, the system will fetch the submitted current quantity and corrected current quantity. You can view details such as activity name, unit, total quantity, activity billing rate, tax code amount and corrected amount. The corrected amount reflects the actual approved amount. Based on multiple activities, you can view the total submitted amount and total corrected amount. Click on Save, and the entry will be posted to the Finance module. Click on History to view the corrected bill entry details such as ledger, group, account head and project. The process of performing client billing in Strategic ERP is now complete.